Changing your profile picture on Zomato is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can view your details. Step 3. Edit profile. Look for an option that says Edit Profile or a pencil icon. Tap on it to enter the editing mode where you can change various aspects of your profile. Step 4. Change profile picture. Find the current profile picture or an option that says Change Picture. Tap on it to either select a new image from your gallery or take a new photo using your camera. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button or option and confirm that your new picture is now set. Once you've completed these steps, your Zomato profile picture will be updated. Enjoy sharing your dining experiences with your new image.